Hello, this video will explain a stitch that you have probably noticed on branded sweaters and blouses like the one in the picture. Of course, they are knit by a machine. The front and back of the blouse are two rectangles, making the construction relatively easy. To the sleeve opening, they can be knitted together in the round. The sleeves can be knit top down, bottom up, or in the round, and they have a modest downward taper. A 1x1 elastic knit is used to create the boat-shaped neckline. The stitch is easy to understand, and attractive with a hint of open work. The knitting pattern is made up of 5 loops and 4 rows, 3 of which are knitted by repeating the loops from the bottom row. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 5 plus 2 for symmetry and 4 edge stitches. The basis of the stitch is these open work paths with 2 versions of execution, which I will show you. At the end of the video, I will explain the peculiarities of knitting in the round. We start on the right side. Row 1 right side. We start knitting this row by the divider loops knit 2, purl 1. We come to the open work part. Here are 2 versions of execution. One is, knit 3 rows one after the other, and slip this loop to make a yarn over loop, by accumulating the yarn over on the right needle, which makes it difficult to knit. I will show you the second version, in which the loop is knitted 3 rows, and the 4th row is knitted 3 rows down. The full report of the knitting of this row is: knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Row 2 wrong side, repeat the loops from the bottom row. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Row 3 right side, keep repeating the loops from the bottom row. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Row 4 wrong side, the repeat pattern of this row is: purl 2, knit 1. Enter the right hook back to front 3 rows down, pull up a purl loop, and drop the main loop from the left hook, knit 1. Again, purl 2, knit 1, pull up 1, purl loop, drop 1, and knit 1. Another version of execution: drop the loop from the left hook, pick it up with the left hook 3 rows down and purl 1 stitch with 3 yarn over loops. When knitting in the round, the difference is in rows 2 and 4. They appear as follows: row 2, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Row 4, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1 3 rows down, drop 1, purl 1. I presented you with an extremely trendy stitch with a gentle texture and beautiful relief, an excellent option for stylish and elegant knitwear. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.